good morning. Welcome back to another video. So today, first off, sorry for the overcast, for the shadow that you may be seeing. The sun is finally coming around the corner, and I'm trying to get these baskets planted up as soon as possible because it is hot, it is humid. So today I'll be planting up this, it is a window basket, but I'll call it a railing planter today since I'm putting it on my railing. Now I have about I have 8 plants in this planter. I have 2 planters that's flanking the steps. I'll turn the camera around a little bit and give you guys a little mini tour. I'm super excited. I've been wanting to do this project, but I just never wanted to spend the money for these planters. I actually found these planters at a yard sale for 50 cents a piece. I bought 3. That's all she had, so I took all 3 of them. I just couldn't see myself paying full price for these at my garden center or a big box store or online, so I waited. I had some patience and I was rewarded for only 50 cents a piece. Now I'm gonna turn the camera around and give you guys a little close-up of all these plants. Okay guys, so we have Super Tunia Bordeaux, and we also have Super Tunia Vista Fuchsia, and we also have Luscious Royale Cosmo Lantana. Gorgeous. I love all the color. They just scream tropical summer bad bitch, here I am. So I'm gonna set up my tripod and we can start to plant. She's alive. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I hope you guys can see. So I planted 3 lantanas in the back. These are the Cosmos. I planted those in the back, and then in the front I planted 2 Super Tunia Bordeaux and 2 Super Tunia Vista Fuchsia. I think they look gorgeous, and I can't wait for them to fill in, start to spill over. And I know the lantanas are supposed to get like 12 to 21 inches tall, so I don't mind the height. We're barely out here on the front porch, so I don't mind if it kind of blocked the view just a little bit. So I just cannot wait. So let me show you the other side. And by the way, just a little update on my Super Bells. I had budworms a couple days ago, so I treated them, and they are bouncing back slowly but surely. They don't look as glorious as they used to, but we shall see what happens in the next couple weeks. Here is the other pot, and here is the next window basket. So that's that. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.